Hello and welcome to the channel Finance for You. Today we are going to discuss Bitcoin death cross. For those who do not know what a death cross is, when the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200-day moving average from the top, a crossover is formed, popularly known as the death cross. These moving averages are lagging indicators, meaning they show the movement of the Bitcoin prices over the past 50 and 200 days respectively. Though being lagging indicators, these major moving averages, when crossover, they show a change in the market sentiment. Death cross thus shows a bearish market sentiment. I had covered in my earlier videos about a probable formation of Bitcoin death cross around the 14th of this month, and that is exactly what has happened. But how will this death cross affect the price of Bitcoin, and in case Bitcoin price dips, what can be the probable quantum of this dip? To know this, let us have a look at the historical death cross formations and their effects on the price of Bitcoin. The last it happened was around mid-June last year. If we observe carefully, the price at which the cross formed was roughly $43,000. If we look at the lowest price after the crossover, the percentage dip to that particular price is approximately 33%. Thus, it could be inferred that the price dipped about 33% from the price of the crossover intersection. Let us look a bit further in history. We see a death cross formation in late March 2020. But as we can see, the majority correction had already happened before the death cross formation. This is because this dip was mainly attributed to the pandemic and the subsequent lockdowns across the globe. The prices tumbled more than 50% in just 2 days of time. Thus, let us not consider this death cross in our calculations and look for other such formations in the past. Another death cross we can observe is around late October in 2019. And what we see is a drop of around 28% from the point of crossover. One more death cross could be observed in late March 2018 and the Bitcoin price dipped by 31% from the point of crossover. So what do we infer from all these historical death cross formations? One thing that we know for certain is that Bitcoin price has always dipped by approx 30% from the point of death cross formation. Will history repeat itself? Will the prices reach a level equivalent to a 30% dip from the crossover point? We don't know that for sure, but we can always be vigilant now that we know what has been happening in the past. So in case the history was to repeat itself, the Bitcoin price would gyrate by 30% from the point of death cross formation. That is, a dip of 30% from the crossover price of approx $48,450. This would indicate a fall up to the levels of $34,000. I hope you all got a good understanding of what a death cross is and how it affects the price of Bitcoin. What are your viewpoints on death cross formation? Do you think that the historical pattern will play out here, or this time it's going to be something different? Comment in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to discuss. If you found this information useful, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. I'll keep you posted with ample of more videos. Till then, farewell.